Alright, hello and welcome to my Sinatra project app. It's called Cookbook, and what it does is allow a user to create a profile, or rather an account, where they can build their own custom recipes and store them. So we're going to create a new user here. Actually, we're going to try and sign up with an existing user. So if we don't put in a password, we get a little message here, and then I will put in a password, and this user already exists, so we're going to get a message to please choose a different username. So we're going to create Jim. Jim has password, and Jim signs up. Jim is logged in upon signing up. He can log out or create a recipe. If he had recipes, they would be listed here. This is kind of Jim's home page. So let's create a recipe. We're going to call it, what are we going to make? We're going to make a meatball. Meatball has beef. Has an amount of beef and a unit. So that's 2 pounds beef. Has garlic. We'll say 1 cup of garlic. And you get the idea. So our method here is a description of how to make whatever your recipe is. So we'll say we want to combine the ingredients and bake for 1 hour. That's long. That's going to burn. Bake for 15 minutes. And this would be any special notes like I like to use 90-10 ground beef. Alright, and we submit. That's going to create your recipe and going to take you to a show page for the recipe. It only, if you'll notice in the recipe form here, it has space for 10 ingredients, and when you get to the show page, it only shows you what you put in. Unfortunately, I don't have the functionality yet to add more ingredients. That's coming down the line. So anyway, we get to the show page, and we can edit or delete the recipe if we want. I created this home button so you don't have to use the back button to get to your home page. So this will take us back to Jim's home page, and if no one was logged in, this home button would take us to the sign up page. So here we are on Jim's home page. We can see his recipe that he made. We click on it, we end up back here. We can edit it, and we're going to say that our meatball needs some onion. It needs 1 medium onion. We don't need to change anything down here. So let's resubmit this. It's going to go back, and you can see that we have added the onion. Then we can delete it, and Jim's recipes no longer has a meatball. Poor Jim. Alright, and that's about it. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.